labyrinth, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Bro Birds. My name...
Level over!
...is Level Over. My name's Jacob. I just want to say... Oh, wait.
No, you say your thing. It's more important. I interrupted you. Say your thing.
I just wanted to say I love each and every one of you. And my time on this earth is short. So I gotta spend it happy and with you. And with Justin.
Are you happy?
No! I haven't gotten to that part of Zen yet in my life.
I haven't read that chapter.
I haven't studied with the boudoir of monks in Asia that everyone is so fond of, let me tell you.
You said boudoir of monks.
I don't know what to...
Boudoir was in your, like...
I don't know what your problem is.
Random access vocabulary.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just trying to say the word vomit that you're so happy about.
Word vomit?
The salad. Look
Ow.
at me.
Did I go through E3? Oh, dude, it's E3!
Oh, dude! You're dead.
You just fucking beat the fuck out of me. Fuck you.
Use your impact webbing! God, you have flame webbing, Justin! Spider-Man spent time developing his what? Now you're just gonna die.
Flame yo, Hotman. Jake.
I know.
Listen to me.
Huh?
Flameo, Sifu Hotman.
I'm doing the shocker. You can't see it. I'm doing the shocker.
Isn't
What's
that...
the shocker?
What's
it for?
Is that real?
No. Like, I know that, like, because you have, like, this thing is the double horns, is the rocker, and this one is the shocker. So what is... You're not going to explain it, are you? Is it bad?
You didn't know that? You don't know what it is?
No.
Have you... When other than now have you talked about the shocker?
I was on a bus once.
With who?
Soccer team, high school.
Okay.
We talked about... Somebody said, like, the shocker...
And you didn't get it.
Was, oh, Spidey armor. Somebody said that the shocker was like a symbol of some town. And it had something to do with windmills.
That's what they said.
That's what they said.
Maybe they
I don't quite
didn't
see
know
it.
either.
Maybe they don't.
It refers to when you're fingering a girl and you put a finger in her butthole. And she's shocked that you did that.
Ah.
The teaser, the pleaser, the shocker,
Oh, shit.
the showstopper.
Black cat. What's going on here?
Oh, no. Oh, shit. We spent like an hour talking about that.
An hour? On the bus?
On the bus. Nobody ever said that this was it. We never got to the showstopper. We didn't have the teaser, the pleaser. We only did shocker, and somebody said that was like a cheering thing. Like, yeah, the devil horns. People were sick. Fuck! Are you kidding me with that one?
No.
Oh, man. Oh, your flame web's gone.
Flame off.
Flameo, Sifu Webo.
Flameo Sifu Offman.
I'm getting off, man.
Rats locked. Well, let's try door number 2.
That's a weird thing to say, Jake.
Yeah, I know. I'm a little bit in the woozy area right now.
Because of the shocker?
Yeah, because, well, a lot of reasons. But the shocker, definitely putting that on the list. Things to know, things to see. Oh boy.
Maybe I should.
Guess again.
Maybe I should have lied.
Wait, you were supposed to do something with the black cat.
Was I?
Yeah, you were supposed to. I think there was a switch in there.
Nope. Guess again.
Yep. Go back to the room the black cat was in. You missed something. Okay. Good with that one. Wow. Just wow. Okay, go to the left or the right. There's got to be a lock of some sort. Button, maybe? Not over here. Try it on the other side.
It's on the back.
No. You won't release her. You have to release all the locks.
Yeah,
Get off the ceiling. There it is. There you go. Now the rooms are unlocked. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Also in the game mode plus, they gave Black Cat a drug that made her dance, so she kept on dancing. So she couldn't stop dancing.
That is fan servicey.
Yeah.
If I read this
mean,
this panel controls the
if the graphics didn't look so ugly, I would agree. Yes, yes it is.
Flow of fog, it'll be like a banana in a
Tailpipe.
That ought to blow the power too.
I guess so. This is a pretty poor design. Yep.
Holy shit.
Step in the right direction, but not enough pressure.
Spider-Man, you're a fucking terrorist.
How is he a terrorist?
It's like, what is this, like like, he's shutting, like, nuclear power plant things?
This is a nuclear power plant? I don't believe that he ever used the word nuclear. Or nuclear.
Almost. This sucker is ready.
Oh, you skipped the cutscene. You didn't know you could do that. I believe that guy.
What are you so afraid of?
I'm afraid of you falling.
Love?
Because in the end, it doesn't even matter, Justin. Love is love. You are you. So just stop it with your inconsistencies.
I'll try.
Thank you.
For you, I will try.
That's all that I ask.
What the fuck, Spider-Man? Why are you such a terrorist? And why is there a force field jail cell at the water treatment plant?
This is the water treatment plant.
Where am I?
You're at some underwater laboratory.
Spider-Man
How'd you not catch on? You haven't been paying attention to anything, have you?
No, I'm in web slinging. I have spider armor again.
How? Yeah, you really haven't, have you been now?
I thought I lost it. I kind of just assumed I would have died since I got it.
Oh, Justin.
Oh, Jake.
What happened?
What happened?
Look, Peter Dick. Alright, what this time? Pether.
It's gonna pay off next time we see the save screen.
Okay, that's not, okay, fine, it's whatever. Cutscene!
Cutscene?
Oh yeah, now we get to see who's behind it all.
Listen, whoever you are. No
Who is
one
it?
can control
Who could it be? Could it be the mailman?
I need not control.
It's probably Eddie Brock.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Octopus and Carnage.
Dr.
You
Rocktopus.
guessed it right from the beginning, ladies and gents. You were smarter than me and smarter than Justin.
Guessed it?
Justin guessed it. I
Remember?
was behind.
Oh, look at how quality those are. They're not gonna look like that in the real game.
They did pretty good. Yeah, you're right. Oh, Venom was late here.
I smell bad symbiote.
Ooh.
And it ain't
His teeth don't line up with the texture for his gums.
Nope, no they don't. You're right. They're completely separate. Wow. Oh, they're fighting.
They jumped into a light.
Let us end this, Spider-Man.
Yeah, they went off onto the other side. There's some say they're still fighting up there. And you know?
You
I like to
will never
believe
get
him.
past my barrier, Spider-Man.
Okay.
Okay, I'll leave then.
This boss is a puzzle.
Find some way to draw power away from his ship.
To drop these down. Yeah, hit those with your webs.
Okay.
There you go.
The shield is drawing power from his, but I still need to draw more power.
More power away from the dock. It's a good thing that you got Spidey armor.
Yeah, it's useful. If only I had that comic.
Whatever you are trying is useless, Spider-Man.
Useless for you, you useless piece of garbage.
Hey, dude, that's harsh.
He's a jackass. He deserves it.
You gonna drop one of these pistons?
He did, all the way on the other side. There you go. Are you happy now?
Happier.
More should do it.
I'm glad that you are.
One more should do it, because there's only one left.
Shit, we think if you do this multiple times to hit him.
Game design.
Game design.
That's it.
Time.
Piper,
Go.
uh-oh. Looks like his shield is regenerated.
Oh!
It sounds like Spider-Man's talking to an 8-year-old.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I don't know what happened. I always hit and now I can't. Oh, Spider-Man explained it. I'm good now. Except it wouldn't be. I figured it out though. When I was 8, but I wasn't 8. Good, right? Oh, good. You want to chill there, Doc? You can't dodge. It's literally impossible.
No, if I'm in the air, it doesn't hit.
You're right.
It's not literally impossible.
I don't know.
It's literally possible.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
It does change timing a bit, though.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is.
It electrifies the wall, too.
There it is.
What am I
Go
doing?
get him. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a tease you are, Octopus.
Doc, Octopus.
At least this isn't that bad. Mysterio and Venom were pretty hard.
Yeah, he just doesn't do any damage to him.
Dr. Octopus, the mastermind himself. What's his great plan? The force field.
Smack me with the iron
And smack you
legs.
with the octopus things.
Tentacles.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
So somebody I work with was telling me about, he knows somebody who teaches preschool,
Yeah?
and she just got a student in. She's looking at the class list. The student's name is spelled SSSST, and it is pronounced Forest.
What?
4ST. Forest. SSSST.
Fuck that parent. That is bullshit. What the fuck, man? 4ST. Thought they were bit. Pet her dick.
Better dick.
If you're gonna pet her dick, you might wanna not do that and backtrack to what you were doing. Because you've made a mistake somewhere. Oh shit. Wow. 4S.
Forest.
Is this kid... Did he... It's not racist if I just ask the question.
The presumption is racist.
Yeah. Is this kid black?
Yeah. He suggested that if they had a daughter to name her SHA and name her Tanisha.
Oh god. Oh jeez.
Forest.
Oh great, yeah. Now Venom sucks, so now we gotta take on.
You should have just ran away from him. He could have kept Carnage locked for days.
Yeah. All I had to do was run away. Oh,
Uh-oh.
I've seen enough hentai. I know where this is going.
I don't want to see this scene in New Game Plus.
Me neither. Alright, that's enough for the last episode. And we'll come back next time and fight Carnage!
Carnage is a horse.
Carnage is a horse.
What color do you bleed?